Imagine it's late at night. Your cat suddenly starts acting strangely. They're struggling to breathe. They're hiding. They're crying in a way you've never heard before. You know something is wrong, but you don't know what. Your heart starts racing. You grab your phone, desperately searching for answers. But here's the terrifying reality. When your cat is having a medical emergency, every second matters. And in those moments, panic can be the difference between acting quickly and losing precious time. Today, I'm going to show you why every cat owner needs to be prepared for emergencies before they happen. And at the end of this video, I'll share a guide that could help you respond with confidence when your cat needs you most. A cat owner named Lisa thought emergencies happened to other people. Her cat, Milo, was healthy, playful, and full of energy. Then one evening, everything changed. Milo suddenly collapsed. At first, Lisa thought he was sleeping, but something felt wrong. He wasn't responding normally. His breathing seemed unusual. Fear instantly took over. Her mind went blank. She loved her cat like family, but she had no idea what to do. Should she wait? Should she rush to the emergency vet? Was this life-threatening? Those few minutes felt like hours. Fortunately, Milo received help in time and recovered. But afterward, Lisa couldn't stop thinking about one question. What if I had waited longer? That's the thing about emergencies. They don't send warnings. They don't schedule appointments. They happen when you least expect them. Many cat owners assume they'll know what to do when an emergency happens. But emergencies create stress, and stress makes it harder to think clearly. Cats can experience choking, poisoning, severe allergic reactions, heat-related illnesses, falls, unexpected injuries, and many other life-threatening situations. The problem isn't that owners don't care. The problem is that most people aren't prepared, and when panic takes over, valuable time can be lost. The difference between fear and action is knowledge. Knowing what warning signs to watch for. Knowing when a situation is serious. Knowing what steps to take while professional help is on the way. Because when your cat's life is at risk, guessing is not a strategy. Preparation is. The best time to learn about emergencies is before one happens, not during the crisis, not while you're panicking. Not while you're desperately searching for answers. Every responsible cat owner hopes they'll never face a serious emergency. But hope isn't preparation, knowledge is. The more prepared you are today, the more confident you'll be tomorrow. And confidence can save precious minutes when every second counts. That's exactly why I created the guide. Your cat's life depends on you. How to save your cat in emergencies. Inside, you'll discover practical emergency response strategies, warning signs every cat owner should recognize, and simple step-by-step guidance designed to help you stay calm and act quickly when it matters most. If your cat is part of your family, don't wait until an emergency happens to you. Wish you had prepared sooner. Click the first link in the description below and get your copy today, because one day, the life that depends on you may need you more than ever. And when that moment comes, you'll be glad you were ready. If you found this video valuable, like, subscribe, and share it with another cat owner who needs to hear this message. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.